Hi everybody, it's Edie at the Garden of Edie, but not in the garden today, in the kitchen. And I have to say goodbye to my Jarrahdale pumpkin. Do you remember this when Alexis and I harvested it and we weighed it and it was close to 22 pounds? Well, I haven't been wanting to cook it because it's so beautiful that I've been using it as a sculpture on my family room table and in my dining room area. I just think it's so exquisite, and people never asked me about it because they thought it was like a real sculpture. They didn't think it was a Jarrahdale pumpkin. But the time has come to cook this baby. I'm sad, but I'm happy because it is going to be delicious. And you know, the reason how I know is because it's starting to change color here. And it's saying, cook me before I start to go bad. So that is what I'm going to do. Now, I have never made a pumpkin this big, never cooked one, never roasted, don't even know where to start. But I think what I'm going to do is take a small paring knife, and it's letting me go in, but I don't know if it's going to really let me take this top off. You see what I'm saying? It might not, but I'm going to try first because my idea, I think I'll try this longer one. You got to try all sorts of tools of the trade. And then my goal is to get the top off and then roast the bottom and the top. And then I'll be able to slice it more easily. It'll get soft. I'm not going to roast it all the way. I'll probably roast it for, I don't know, 30, 40 minutes. And then if it's soft, I might do slices, I might do dices. I might do both because it's so big, we'll be able to do a lot of things. How would you guys do this? They didn't teach me this in culinary school. I don't think we roasted any pumpkins. Okay, if this doesn't work, then I am going to have to cook it all the way to soften it. You know what? I'm going to have to cook it. I can't, it won't budge. I need some sort of a scooper knife, which I do not have. Okay, time to cook. What I'm going to do is put it at 375 degrees. It's going to get nice and, this is a good workout, you guys. At Garden of Edie, we don't just cook, we exercise and get healthy all the way around. I'm going to put it in the oven, 375 degrees, for about 30, 45 minutes. I'm going to check it to see if it's soft enough to finish carving, and then I'll show you what we're going to do next. There we go. Woo, it's going to be pretty. It won't explode on me because I have made some air holes at the top. I'll see you in about 30, 45 minutes. Okay, everybody, I couldn't take it out in the tray. I had to actually pick it up and bring it to the board. It took about 40 minutes, 40, 45 minutes. And so it has cooled down quite a bit because it's so hot, it's still hot, and it's been like an hour. So now I'm going to try to remove this top. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do, oh, see, it's much easier. I don't know which knife to use. That's what's so funny about this because I've never done it before. But see how much easier it is to slice through? Okay, yes, that's very, very easy. It's pretty cooked. But that's not a problem because what we can do is we can, let me see if I can take, I'm going to have to pry it open. Oh, look, it's coming up. Voila. Look how pretty that is. Now, it's not 100% cooked. It's a little raw on the inside. It's just cooked about this much through, but it sure made it easy to cut and slice. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all the seeds, and I'm going to bake those seeds because supposedly they're very kind of chewy on the inside. Okay, so now here are all the seeds, and there's still a lot of the flesh in there, but I'm going to rinse them and wash them really good, dry them, season them, no oil, but maybe lime juice and some chipotle powder and smoked pepper, something delicious like that. If you have ideas, comment below. How would you season your pumpkin seeds? Okay, I finished slicing it. The bottom half I had to turn this way and slice down this way, okay? Look at all of this squash. It doesn't even fit in my largest bowl. What would you do with this squash? Would you make a soup? Ravioli? Would you just roast it with all sorts of delicious spices? Would you make a bowl out of it? Please comment below, share your ideas, and we'll do it too. See you soon.